so strong. Okay. Hello everyone. Right now you can see the water flow. This kind of water flow is called push pump. Push pump, a lot of kind, a lot of project, a lot of kind. On method here you can set up. But don't forget you have to use it like this. Here you can call it airbag. Can be a strong pressure to suck the water or the pull the water from the big river here. So this project we don't use the electricity, just use the pressure to suck the water. So as you can see input just use with the 34mm size. Same size with the output here with the 34mm size. It's collinear. If the input is small, output is bigger, then our project cannot success. Our project cannot success. We be fair, right? This one, we just you just push like this. Pull like this. First time, the water will go into this drum, and then this big pipe, and then made from pressure to push it back like this. It's in, and then it drops. It go back, fan, and then it drops, fan, pull that like this. This project, just I told already, they be called push pump. Push pump is very easy to set up. We just buy some material and glue to set up it, and you no use electricity, especially in the place without electricity, in the countryside, rural as well. Okay, and another last, I would like to say thank you that you spend the very value time to see my explanation, my video today, and hope you like my video. Please happy to subscribe or ring the bell. See your friend, family, especially to your community that they like my video, they want to set up this kind of project. See you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.